Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be filming an IPSY bag unbagging, I guess, and I haven't filmed one of these in a long time because I wasn't subscribed to them for a long time, but then I said, you know what, let me just do it. And then I moved and then I forgot about them. So long story short, I have two bags for you in one video. This is the month prior. Yeah, I don't know, honestly I don't even know. This might be like 3 months ago. I'm so bad. So this is for the month of September and it says, who is going to stop me? And this is a little card it comes with. It's pretty plain, so nothing much to see there. And right off the bat, right when I open the bag itself, it comes with two masks. One's a vitamin F velvet mask and then the other one's vitamin C velvet mask. And they both look like this. So in the back it says to wear for 10 to 20 minutes. This one's for brightening and this one's for moisturizing. Hopefully the lighting's good, guys, because this is like a new setup. I know you guys can tell because I always have a white background, but I'm kind of messing around with the lighting and the noise. I'm sorry. I know you guys are going to be able to hear cars passing, but I can't stop that because your girl's outside pretty much and I can't close the door. So I'm so sorry if you guys could hear it, but this is a test. This is a test run, and also it's 6:15. There's a Dodgers game going on, and you might hear a little screaming from my neighbors, so because I could hear it, hopefully you guys can hear it. Anyways, we have a Morphe High Impact highlighter. This is in the color Spark. I believe this is the first time Morphe is in an IPSY bag. I'm not sure. Like I said, I haven't been subscribed to them for a while, but it's pretty exciting to get something from Morphe just because it's so familiar. Usually they focus more into like indie brands, which I prefer, but it's a little nice to receive something that's known. So I love highlighters. I usually don't like to swatch because I like to give stuff away, but I'm gonna keep this. There's the swatch if you guys can see. This bag looks a little empty, you guys. I don't know. I didn't show you guys the bag. This is what the bag looks like. So cute. Little eyelashes and then like little gold trimming thing. This is it. So this is a matte bronzer from Hanalei. And it's just like those little samples. It looks more like an eyeshadow to me, but I guess you can use it for whatever you please. And then I got a brush. It's called the 140 Detail Taper Blush by Luxie. It's like this, a little taper brush. And then for the 100th time, Trestic send a little mini lip glaze. We've always gotten products from them, and it's either like something for the eyes or lips. I mean, I don't know, but yeah, there's the color right there. And that's it for September's bag. Again, this is what the little bag looks like. I'm a little so cautious because I feel like people can hear me. Now October's bag, this is what it looks like. It's like a little corally reddish bag, I guess, and it has like a little masquerade mask right here. If you guys can see, it's kind of like meshed in. It says, who said nights were for sleep? That's what the card looks like. What are you? Okay, maybe I should open it. It says Sundays. Vegan and cruelty free, non-toxic nail polish. It's a cute color for the fall. I really like to wear colors like this more on my toes, but it's so cute. Wow, look at this. We get a Morphe blush in the color Spirit. Oh yeah. In the color Spirit, and same packaging as the other. Wait, what? What's the name of the color? Blend the Rules? Oh no. Yeah, okay, I was confused for a second. It says Blend the Rules right here. I thought that was a color for a second, but the other packaging for the highlighter also says that, so guess not. And that's what the color looks like, kind of like a pinkish color, and it has like silver undertones. No, not silver undertones, silver specks. There you go. I guess I could swatch it. Why not? There it is. The next thing is this perfume from Sunny Side Up. It's kind of a big sample. And oh my gosh. It smells better. I can't smell it. What the hell? Is my nose broken? It smells good smelling it out of here, but like when I spray it, I can't smell it, which is so fucking weird. Okay, next thing in the bag is this Aurora Intensely Precise Eyeliner in Color Espresso. Wow. There's the swatch right here. It's like every other, you know, eyeliner. Fine tip. And yeah, the brown is pretty nice. Borderline black. It's really nice actually. And last thing in the bag is this IPSY by Petra little duo eyeshadow palette, and it's called Plum Lace. Here's the two colors right here. And IPSY's eyeshadows are really good actually. I've gotten them at Target. I don't know if they sell them anywhere else, but they blend pretty well, so I'm gonna trust it and I'm not gonna swatch it. Yeah guys, that's all I got for this month's. No, actually that's all I got for the last 2 months. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe so you can join my little YouTube family, and also follow me on Instagram. I've been following people back lately. I noticed that like I have, anyways, just follow me. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!